What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about how you can make $100 a day in passive income with cryptocurrency. Okay, I made a similar video to this I believe a couple of weeks ago, talking about how to make $1,000 a month, and a lot of people enjoyed that video, and I decided, hey, why not make another video, but instead of $1,000 a month, $100 a day. Okay, now if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I post a lot of content about meme coins, altcoins, community coins, just a bunch of different types of coins, as well as passive income methods. And as you guys like these type of videos, I'll continue to do more. Now let's get right into this. Okay, I'm going to be explaining you guys deeply how to do this, showing you guys how you guys can make $100 a day. So let's get right into this. All right, so to do this, we are going to be staking the Cake token on PancakeSwap. So essentially, this is a token, right? Similar to, how Bitcoin is a coin and Ethereum, whatever there is, this is something that you can buy. You can buy this on major exchanges. Binance has it. Crypto.com has it. If you guys want to use a link to my Crypto.com, you can get it down below. But pretty much what you're going to do is, with your Cake tokens, you are going to go onto PancakeSwap and you guys are going to stake it into this pool right here. So essentially what you guys are going to want to do is have your Cake tokens on MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Pretty much if you guys are comfortable or know how to buy SafeMoon, or you guys have used PancakeSwap before, this shouldn't be too hard to do. Just make sure you have the Cake token in your wallet and you are connected using MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and you go onto pancakeswap.finance/pools. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to stake your Cake tokens into this pool right here. Now this pool, what I like about it is it automatically compounds and it restakes for you. Now when I first got into this pool, it was at about 100 and I want to say 50% APY. Now it has dipped down to 123% APY. So guys, remember, this is dipping. Okay, now taking a look at the Cake token, we can see it did actually peak at about like $43-ish. We can see it did drop all the way down to, I think this was like what, like $10-ish, if I can get down. Yeah, $11. Now it is at $16. So in my opinion, I do think this can hit $40 again. I do think this could even hit $100 if the bull run is not over, which I don't think it is. Again, not investment advice, but just my personal opinion. So again, I think there is a lot of room for this token to grow. So what we're going to do is we're going to go onto stakingrewards.com. Now, if you are a member of my crypto and stock market buy sell alerts, you guys know that I've been buying Cake so many times on these dips, and you guys know exactly when I've been buying, and more than likely you've been buying this token with me, and we are up a decent amount on our purchases. Obviously before the crash, we are at a loss, but again, we have been staking this token for a while. You guys know this website, okay? So with this website, we can pretty much track what our rewards are going to be. So this is what we're trying to do, all right? Now we have our estimated monthly earning. Now obviously we are trying to make $100 a day. So 100, what we can do, times 30 for however many days there are in a year. Actually, we're going to put 30.5 since half of the months have 31 days. So again, we now know every single month we need to make $3,050 to make $100 a day. All right. So what we need to do is figure out how our estimated monthly earning will be $3,050. So is $1,000 invested into Cake and staked going to be enough? No, I don't think so. What about 10,000? Let's take a look. Nope, 10,000 is not going to be enough as well. We are going to need to up the ante over here. Okay, let's try 30,000. All right, let's see if 30,000 is enough. Boom. Let's see. Oh, okay, no, this website's glitchy. Okay, 30,000. Okay, we're close. Let's try 40,000. Nope, close again. Let's try 60,000. Now, guys, bear with me because I know this kind of sounds crazy, but just bear with me for a second, okay? So 60,000. All right, now at 60,000, we are clearing this. So again, let's try. What was it? 55,000 maybe. Okay, again, we are clearing this. So let's just do, I don't know, let's just do like 48,000, okay? Again, I'm not saying this is what you have to do, but just bear with me for a sec. This is just an example. So, okay, let's just use 40, am I like stupid or something? Did I skip 45,000? No, not 45. 45,000. Okay, let's just say it's 45,000 to make $100 a day. Now you're probably wondering, Release, well, if I had $45,000, I wouldn't be watching this YouTube video. Now I know, like I said, bear with me, okay? Because there's a few things going on right now, all right? Now this is assuming that the price of Cake Token is at $17.15, okay? So assuming this, we now know that it would take $45,000 to make $100 a day. Again, assuming that the price doesn't change at all. Now, what I like about this website is over here on the price tab, we can say how bullish we are. So again, very bullish means plus 100%. So that's a 2x, okay? So again, assuming that this token is at $17 and it has hit $40 before, we can say, yeah, you know what? This coin can 100% get back to its all-time high. So we could say we're very bullish. So look at how quickly this changes. Boom. Now we are at more than double. So let's just assume Cake Token goes back to roughly $40, okay? Now, how much money would we need? Well, let's put in $20,000. Okay, nope, not enough. Almost. Let's put in $25,000. A bit more. Nope. Okay, we can do a bit less. So let's do $22,000. No, let's do 21. No, 21. Okay, no, 20. I hate how this website is so finicky. All right, $22,000. All right, so look, if we wanted to make $100 a day, what we would need to do is have $22,000 USD staked in Cake Token, assuming that is going to hit a price point of $40. Okay. Now, is that doable? Well, again, in my opinion, I think the Cake Token could one day hit $100. But again, when that happens, we have to factor in a few things. One, is the percentage APR still going to be over 100%? Two, is this even still going to be like a viable method? There's just so many other factors. But what I can say is staking your cake now, especially assuming and having a long-term mindset, makes a lot of sense. Personally, I have over $10,000 staked into the Cake Token. And again, I'm making passive income on that, which to me is just absolutely amazing. There is obviously risks involved because, for example, when I did buy the Cake Token, like I said, I bought it multiple times. Certain times I have bought it around like the $30 range. So again, on those initial investments, yes, I am down money. But again, I'm not selling these tokens and I'm still staking them and making passive income. So at the end of the day, it's really like a no-brainer for me. Now, guys, what you can do is go onto stakingrewards.com/earn/PancakeSwap, and you guys can kind of play around with this as well. Now, again, let's just play with the fact that maybe you are super bullish, okay? So if you're super bullish, that is a 500% increase on, let's just say $20. So what is a 500% gain on 20? All right, so what would that even be? Okay, is this not gonna like show me? Come on. Okay, here we're gonna go and look at, okay, the math on this. Well, 500% is a 5x, I believe. So hold on, we're just gonna, okay, no, we're not gonna go through this. Hold on. I'm gonna do the math right now. So 500% gain. So 100% gain is obviously a 2x. A 500% gain, that is a 5x, if I'm not mistaken. 500% of 20, right? Is 100. So yeah, so this is assuming, okay, perfect. So this is assuming that the price hits $100. So again, if the price hits $100, which I think could happen, we now know that an initial 22% or $22,000 investment would be making you $9,000 a month. Now again, guys, this is all a bit mumbo jumbo. Obviously, I'm just trying to keep this raw and fresh and authentic as possible. But again, let's just say you just put in $5,000. Again, you're making, boom. Again, like this is just fun to play with, right? Like if it's 7,500, I hate how this website is just so freaking glitchy. Boom, you guys can see you're making $100 a day. So guys, just to briefly just recap, right? So to make $100 a day, you would need to make, so 100, right? Nope, 100 times 30.5. Boom, we can see $3,050. So you need to make that every single month. Now, again, we can see if you're super bullish and you think the Cake Token will hit $100, you only need to invest $7,500, we did the math on everything else. So guys, that is pretty much how this would work. So like I said, I am currently staking my Cake token. If you want to join my free Discord and ask questions down below, you can do that as well. I'm always trying to answer in my Discord. And again, if you want to get, like, I guess, my crypto and stock market buy sell alerts, you can do so as well, and you guys can know exactly when I'm buying Cake and all the stuff that I'm doing over there. But guys, I hope this video helped you out in some sort of way. Staking is a great way to make passive income. I'm currently looking into staking some of my other coins, but just seeing, you know, what really makes sense, what doesn't make sense. So again, Cake token, staking $100 a day. That was that. If you guys have any other video suggestions, feel free to let me know. And until next time, remember, stay seeking success.